Good morning, everyone. To our respected University President, Dr. Noel Yasi, to our campus Director, Dr. Lister Cabonilas, to our deans in different colleges, to our beloved parents and families, our guests, and to all my fellow students, good morning. Today is a very special day. Before I begin my speech, I would first like to give my greatest thanks to our Lord for His goodness and guidance in my life. If it were not for Him, I would not be here today. I truly believe that with God, nothing is impossible because I have experienced and proven this many times in my life. My journey has never been easy. I am not financially stable. And there were many times when we had almost nothing, especially when it came to money. As the eldest among my siblings, I also carry responsibilities that sometimes make things more difficult. But despite all those struggles, God has always found a way for me to continue. I am standing here today. The next people I would like to thank are those who helped me throughout my studies. First and foremost, I want to thank my grandmother, Lola. Thank you so much. Because of your hard work, sacrifices, and love have given to me, I am here today. If it were not for your attention and everything you have done for me, I honestly don't know if I would have reached this far. You have always been there for me. In many ways, you became the mother who stood beside me, especially because my own mother is a person with disability and can no longer walk. You stood in her place for me. You supported, you take care of me, and you helped me continue my education even when things were difficult. Lola, I want you to know that I am truly grateful for everything you have done for me. I love you so much, Lola. And to all the other people who have helped me along the way, whether through financial support, encouragement, advice, or simply believing in me, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I may not be able to repay everything you have done for me, but I will always carry your kindness with me. May the Lord continue bless you, your families, and everything you do. And now, with a grateful heart, I would like to share not only my achievements, but also the journey, struggles, and lessons that brought me here today. A day we have been waiting for, a day we have worked hard for, and finally, we are here. Graduation Day. Honestly, habang nakatayo ako dito sa harap ninyo, hindi ko maiwasang balikan kung saan tayo nagsimula. Parang kailan lang, students pa lang tayo na pumapasok sa silid-aralan. Naghahabol ng assignments, kinakabahan sa recitation, at nag-aaral para sa exam kahit minsan the night before. We laugh, we complain, we got tired, we made mistakes, and of course, we learn. And now we are standing here wearing our graduation attire. Sometimes we ask ourselves, paano ba natin nalagpasan lahat ng iyon? And maybe the answer is simple. We keep going. Hindi dahil madali, hindi dahil palaging okay tayo, but because we had reason to continue. There were days when school felt too much. There were days when requirements seemed endless. My assignment, my quiz, my report, my presentation, tapos may iba kang problema sa bahay. And sometimes just sit there and think, pwedeng bukas na lang? But tomorrow comes, And you still have to do it. You still have to wake up. You still have to go to school. You still have to try. And that is something we should be proud of. Because of being a student, it's not always about being smart. Sometimes it is about being patient. Sometimes it is about being disciplined. And sometimes it is simply about having enough courage to say, sige, susubukan ko ulit. We all experience failure. May mga exam na hindi natin ini-expect na mababa. May mga grades na hindi natin gusto. May mga recitation na bigla nating nakalimutan ang sasabihin. May mga presentation na akala natin perfect na, pero may mali pa rin. And there were moments when we questioned ourselves, am I really good enough? Maybe some of us compared ourselves to other people. We looked at someone getting higher grades and thought, bakit kaya kaya niya, ako hindi? But as we grow, we learn that life is not about being better than everyone else. It is about becoming better than the person we were yesterday. Hindi natin kailangan pare-pareho ang pace. Some people will achieve their dreams earlier. Some will take more time. Some will change their plan. And some will have to start all over again. But those not when they fail, it simply means their journey is different. To our teachers, thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your guidance. And thank you for believing in us. Alam namin minsan nakakapagod din maging teacher. You have your own responsibility, but you still come to school and teach us. You still explain lessons kahit paulit-ulit na. You still correct our mistakes. You still remind us to do better. At minsan, kapag sinabihan ninyo kami na, you can do better, hindi namin agad naintindihan. Pero ngayon, we realize that those words were not meant to discourage us. They were meant to push us, to make us better. So thank you for being part of our journey. To our parents and families, this graduation is also for you. You saw us when we were tired. You saw us when we were stressed. You listened to us complain about school, and you still supported us. You provided what you could. You sacrificed for us, and you reminded us to continue. Sometimes, your words were simple. Mag-aral ka. Kaya mo yan. Huwag kang susuko. But those simple words gave us strength. And behind every graduate standing here today is a family who also sacrificed. So to our parents and families, thank you for helping us to reach this day. And to my fellow graduates, today I want to appreciate ourselves too. Not only the students who received awards, not only those who got the highest grades, but everyone who made it to this day. Because each of us has a story. Maybe your story was not easy. Maybe you struggled more than people know. Maybe you had moments when you wanted to stop, but you continue. And today, you are here. That alone is something worth celebrating. Graduation is exciting, but let's be honest, it's also scary. Because after today, things will change. We will not always be in the same classroom. We will not always sit beside the same friends. We will not always see our teachers. And we don't know how exactly what the future will look like. Some of us already know what we want. Some want to become teachers. Some want to become police. Some want to become agriculturists. Some want to become chef. Some want to become technologists. Some want to build businesses. And some are still figuring things out. And if you're one of those people who still doesn't know what you want, that's okay. You don't need to have your whole life plan today. You don't need to know every answer. Just take the steps, then another and another. Eventually, you will find your way because life is not like an exam where there is only one correct answer. Sometimes we make wrong decision. Sometimes we have start again. But failure doesn't mean that your story is over. Some, when life becomes difficult after graduation, remember what we learn here. We learn how to keep trying. We learn how to accept mistakes. We learn how to ask for help. And we learn that sometimes resting is okay, but giving up on yourself is not. One day, we will look back at our school years and maybe we will remember the things that stress us out. The exams, the deadlines, the reports, the group projects, the moments we wanted to go home early, but those things might become memories we love. We will miss those people. We will miss the simple conversation. We will miss the noise in the classroom. We will miss seeing the same faces every day. And maybe that is why today feels emotional. Because we know that this chapter is ending. But ending one chapter does not mean ending the story. It means we are finally ready to write another one. So as we leave this place, let us carry the lessons with us. Let us carry the memories. Let us carry the love and sacrifices of our families. Let us carry the guidance of our teachers. And let us carry the dreams that brought us here. I hope wherever we go, remember the people who helped us. When we achieve our dreams, remember where we started. And when we have the chance to help people who is still struggling, help them. Because success is not more meaningful when we don't forget the people who were before when we reach is. My fellow graduates, we will not know exactly where life will take us. But we can choose how we face it. We can choose how to be brave. We can choose to keep learning. We can choose to keep trying and can choose to believe in ourselves. There will be days when we feel lost. There will be days when we question our decisions. There will be days when we feel like we're not doing enough. But I hope we remember this day. Remember the younger version of ourselves who once dreamed of graduating. Remember the students who was tired but still continued. Remember the student who failed but tried again. Remember the student who was afraid but still showing up. The student brought us here, and we should never ashamed of that journey. So today, let's not only say goodbye to our school. Let's say thank you. Thank you for the lessons. Thank you for the friendships. Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the challenges that made us stronger. And thank you for the people who's never stopped believing in us. To our teachers, thank you. To our families, thank you. To our friends, thank you. And to fellow my graduates, thank you. Congratulations! We have reached the end of one chapter, but we're also standing at the beginning of something new. We may go different decisions, we may chase different dreams, we may chase different challenges, but I hope that wherever we go, we remember this moment. The moment we stood together and realized that all those difficult things were worth it. So don't be afraid of what comes next. We may not know the future, but we have already learned how to face difficult days, and we can do it. Take your dreams with you. Take your lessons with you. Take your memories with you. And most importantly, take the belief that you are capable of more than you think. Because graduation is not the finish line of our lives. It is simply the end of one journey and the beginning of another. Today, we choose this chapter with gratitude. Tomorrow, we open one new hope. And someday, when we look back at this moment, I hope we can smile. I was there. And I worked hard. I struggled, I learned, I grew, and I became the person I was meant to be. Congratulations, graduates! We may be leaving this place today, but the lesson, memories, and people we found here will always be part of our story. This is not goodbye to our dreams. This is the moment we finally begin chasing them. Thank you very much, and congratulations to all of us.